I am about to head off on a 5-day backpacking trip on the Superior Hiking Trail. Because I keep stopping at all these beautiful overlooks. I'm exhausted. I need to stop. I think I overdid it a little bit. I just need to lay down for a little bit. Good morning, adventurers. So, last night I got here at about 6. I set up my tent and I was so exhausted I went and laid down and I fell right asleep. I didn't have dinner. Nothing. I feel good now, but yeah, I don't know. I was really tired last night. I slept. It's about 6:45 now, so I slept a good 10 hours. Oh, maybe 11 hours. But I went and got some water this morning. I got a new thing to try for breakfast. The strawberries and granola from Peak Refuel. I really like granola, so I'm going to try this out, see how it is. I'll let you know. Alrighty, folks. My goal was to get all packed up and head out at about 7:30. Look at that. 7:30 on the dot. All packed up. Where's my backpack? There it is. All packed up, ready to go. Let's head out on the trail. So right away this morning we're going to be crossing or passing the second Poplar River campsite. I'm going to kick myself in the butt if it's empty, because all the other ones were full. So I just slept in that snowmobile trail, not wanting to hike the other half mile to the next campsite, thinking it was going to be full too. So I took advantage of that spot that I found on the snowmobile trail, because I didn't want to skip that hike up here. The campsite's full and then not be able to find a place. And technically you're only supposed to camp in the campsites here at the Superior Hiking Trail. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I am still feeling a little exhausted from yesterday. I don't know what the deal is, if I just overdid it or what. I was eating plenty of food, drinking plenty of water. I don't know. I still kind of feel exhausted. I felt great this morning when I woke up, but I started walking, I felt the exhaustion again. We'll see how it goes. Alright, reached the other campsite, and it is full. There's a whole group of people there. So, good choice on my part, I guess. Beautiful river. Great little river to do some wading. Just noticed someone's earth sack hanging in the tree. They didn't even tie it to the tree, they just tied it to a branch. A bear could easily break that and take the bag to his den, or he can work on it as long as he wants. You gotta tie it around the tree, people. Like, seriously. such a beautiful morning. Breathtaking. Fortunately, I'm still not feeling very great. Starting to contemplate quitting. I feel a lot like I did on the Buffalo Trail earlier this year. Just exhausted. I think I overdid it yesterday. I don't know. When I woke up this morning, I felt great. I had breakfast, packed up my... It kind of started while I was packing up. I started breaking out a sweat just packing my bag. And I thought to myself, it's only 58 degrees and I'm just packing my bag. I'm not doing anything strenuous, but I'm breaking out a sweat. And then once I got started hiking and walking up these hills, I was just like, oh, I'm really pushing myself just to do it. Beautiful. Well, I'm gonna keep going. So, I made it down to the Lutsen parking lot. And I made a decision to hike into town. Maybe find a little cafe or something that I can sit and eat and relax for a little bit. See if I can feel better. But if not, I think I might have my wife pick me up from Lutsen. I don't know what's going on with me. It's like my mind wants to go, but my body's like, no. My body just feels exhausted from yesterday. And it's like I said, when I woke up this morning, I felt great. I felt amazing. But as soon as I got up and started moving, my body was like, no, we're not doing this again. I've been hiking for about an hour and a half. And I've made it about a mile and a half. So it's not too slow, but today is actually one of the harder days that I have planned out today, because we have to climb up Mystery Mountain. There's several. I mean, we did one of them already, but there's like 3 more. And it's killing me. I feel like crap. I don't know what's going on with me, guys. It's been kind of a bad year for my longer backpacking trips. I don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna hike into town here and see if I can get a little rest, some food maybe. Alright folks, so I stopped at Charlie's Alpine Bistro. Alright, sitting waiting for a shuttle to arrive. I'm gonna walk down to, there's a little trail here, it walks down to the Poplar River, where the Spear Hiking Trail crosses. Just walk down there and take a look. Now this is a beautiful view. Amazing. Lutsen is a beautiful little town. Very touristy. I was kind of excited to do the next section of trail because for one, I know it's a section that I've never done. But two, also because there's a huge climb to start with, but there's a gondola you could ride to the top and then I could just continue from there and skip all the climbing, but it's $35. Amazing. But yeah, if you're interested in that kind of thing, a lot of people do that. They'll come here, ride the gondola up to the top, and then hike down Moose Mountain or Mystery Mountain. I'm not sure which one it is. But this is just 0.2 miles from the Superior Hike and Trail parking lot. Just about anybody can hike here. Even me. Alright folks, back here at the car. Silver Bay shuttle service, Phil. He is awesome. I would recommend him. It's $50 a carload. I think I said that at the beginning of the video, but again, I would recommend him. I called him last minute and he came and picked me up. I thought that was awesome. But my legs hurt really bad. I think I just overdid it yesterday. There was a lot of incline, or a lot of elevation gain. On top of that, I went about 14 miles. I must have just overdone it and worn myself out in one day. But my body does not want to walk another step. I got shuttled back here to Crosby Manitou, and I got out of the car and my legs were just like, ugh. They're already super tight. Anyways, I had a great time yesterday. The fall colors are just amazing. We saw some beautiful overlooks, some great scenery. I had a good time. Thanks everyone for joining me, and I'll catch you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.